Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. I'm at Marshall's checking out their AirPods, Earbuds, earphones. I gotta tell you, if you guys are ever at Marshall's or TJ Maxx or Burlington Coat Factory, they have some selection of AirPods and earphones. They have a pretty good selection at a pretty decent price. There's like a lot of them. One of these is the Bluestone Air True Wireless 5.0 Bluetooth earbuds with the charging case. I gotta tell you, I'm not quite sure what brand Bluestone is. I think they go for about 50 bucks online. You guys know anything about these? These are kind of off-brand to me. They're off-brand. I've bought many of these earbuds before from different places that are off-brand. The prices are pretty decent, but I will say that the sound quality isn't as good as if you bought like a brand like Samsung or Sony or any of those major brands. But if you guys did buy this and you guys have this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section and let us know whether these cheaper, I wouldn't say no frills brand, but they're off brand, whether these earbuds are worth the money. I've had a bunch of comments from different people. Some people telling me that they're decent. Other people telling me that they're decent enough. They're cheap enough where if you lose them, you won't have a problem replacing them because they're like 17 bucks, $18 at most. If you lose an Apple AirPod, it's gonna run you like $150. I know Sony and Samsung, they average around $50 if you guys get a discount rate to like $150, $200. They're up there, particularly if you get noise canceling AirPods. So essentially these are rubber coated. The design is essentially, I gotta tell you, all these designs on AirPods, they kind of look different, but if you look at them, they're kind of like ergonomically, I don't know if that's the correct word for it, but they're kind of designed similar. They're similar. So it's supposed to ensure 100% comfortable fit, whether you're cycling, exercising, stay at home. I know a lot of people lose them that way, or it falls out of the air, etc., etc. If you've had some good luck with these, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It's supposed to be waterproof. I think these are like the Slash, I think. But anyway, they're supposed to be waterproof. Water resistant is what these pods are. If they are truly water resistant, definitely leave a comment in the comment section and let us know whether they're decent as far as that is concerned. On top of that, essentially it also has a phone charger. The case is pretty small. I don't know how much charge you can get for your phone, but I've come across people in so many instances where the phone's about to go dead and you probably just need an extra charge just to make a call or something like that. Emergency situations, it'll probably do. But I'm probably sure by looking at the case, I'm pretty sure you're gonna get maybe like a really small charge off of it at most. But if you guys have used it that way, definitely leave a comment in the comment section and let us know whether it's decent for that. So I gotta tell you, these I like the fact that these earphones, not just this one, but all the Bluetooth earphones that you guys get, essentially once you take them out of the little power bank, it goes into automatic pairing mode. I've actually had questions by people on this asking me, how do you pair it with your phone or whatever device you need to pair it to? And essentially, it does the job for you. Once you take it out of the box, all you gotta do is turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. It scans it, you see it on there, hopefully. Tap it, it pairs automatically. Just that simple. If you guys have any questions on how these pair. Anyway, it's supposed to be water resistant. I think I said it was the air, but this is the splash. And I think this is about a little bit different since this is the splash. It's supposed to be waterproof. You know what, to be honest with you, if you guys want to take it out in the rain, I think most of these are waterproof. You guys take it out in the rain. I don't know anyone who actually takes these out swimming. If you do, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether these hold up underwater or not. I don't know about that, but there's $17. If they don't, it's not really a big loss. Anyway, leave a comment in the comment section if you guys have this, if you guys did buy this, if you guys like it or not, especially how it sounds. Obviously, if you guys are buying this, most people, when they buy these earbuds, some people don't care because of the price. Most people buy this because of the sound quality. It's great if you get like a crisp, nice sound quality to these earbuds. With the cheap price. From my personal experience, I've bought many of these earbuds, AirPods that are on the cheaper end of the price spectrum, and I will tell you that what you pay for the price you give up in the sound quality, which I found to be true. I've had Samsung products as far as earphones, earbuds, AirPods. I've had Sony AirPods. I've had a variety of different branded, well-branded of these products, and the well-branded ones actually have better sound quality. Now, I won't hold that as a true for all these. I think I've actually come across a couple of off-brand earbuds, AirPods that are decent enough as far as sound quality is concerned, but I'm not quite sure, particularly with this particular Bluestone product. But anyway, leave a comment in the comment section. You guys have an opinion on this. Definitely, if you guys have a question, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time. Hope this helped you guys out as far as buying this product. All right, guys, take care.